You know what? I'll focus on this side. When we are coming back, then I'll focus on the other side. Can you leave this side? Capture it, yeah? Focus on this side. When we are coming back, we'll focus on this side.
Okay.
And we also capture the... The challenge is that when we are coming, that's fine. Yeah, welcome to Calgary Stampede. Capture the before. Capture this. Capture the ground.
Look at that baby.
Yeah.
That one.
This thing fast, no. I prefer this kind of ride. $20 gives you more.
Yeah.
You understand? Like the one you can't even enjoy it, your heart to be spinning. Then the next thing is done.
It's like the adrenaline rush, you know?
Eh?
The adrenaline rush.
Yeah. I remember we did this one in bathing. Very scary.
Right?
Please keep recording. I want to capture. Capture the ride. See, look at the lineup for all those rides. I'm sure in the evening now, those lines will even be done. This one is not like when the lights go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not.
That's so scary.
They will not try.
Jerry would not try it at all.
This one I started this.
Kendrick would like it.
Eh?
Kendrick would like
Oh,
it.
yeah. If Jamie does this, they fear. You do him like something. You understand?
I did that one in K-Days.
Eh?
I did that one in K-Days. This one in K-Days. I did the Ring of Fire in K-Days. It was
Okay, we did the water one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one I can do it. Go slowly and then. All these rides, are you sure it's not from here now? They've gone to everything because they are all similar.
They're all the same.
They are all, there's no right here. But I'm not seeing this one before. Like, maybe it depends on where they're going to. No, but this one is to the ground.
Yeah.
This one is to the ground. This one looks like a palm gondola. Yes.
Yeah.
This one is not like all this one is moving around. Make sure you are capturing. Look at it. I like this one. Yeah, remember we did this one.
That's good for a hot day.
Yeah. Okay, so if you come from there, they land.
Right? So long.
I remember what was 100. Yes, you did that one, I remember. It's recording. Why was this?
Right?
Look at the line of us, right? I think we did this one.
Yeah, we did.
We did that. Sorry, from Vegas last year. Yeah.
I don't think they're.
I like this. Saroni, I want to as balance. Yeah. Just
What do we do after this?
go to that the direction the woman gave us.
To like the big four?
go to for and then explore the where she said there's animals and the horses and stuff like that, right?
Okay, so when is lunch?
What's the time? Okay. Let's explore that till around 3, 2, 3. Depends on how much we have to see there. You get. Where's our breakfast?
It's in my car.
No, leave it there until they answer. Okay, stop it. Stop the video here first.